The rain can really mean losing everything. Like, you can imagine that there's 300,000 people living in a desertic city that has no infrastructure. It becomes really a place of survival because what happens is that it will absolutely flood the camps. The families started running out of their house with books. The father was carrying a mattress. So basically, the rain can just mean that you will lose your house, also that you can lose your life because there's flash floods and people don't know how to swim. And as we were going out, you could really see rivers forming and rows of kids holding hands, trying to pull themselves through the water to get home. It was pulling houses with it, infrastructure. So